Hello and welcome to another video on the math equation editor in Blackboard Ultra. In this video for the series, this will be discussing the Greek letters and numbers that are located in the fourth tab under the equation editor. So we go to the Insert Content, we select Math, and we go to the Greek letters and numbers. And here we can see all the lowercase Greek letters. Over here we can get their names as well. When we hit the arrow here, we get the uppercase Greek letters over here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these. We'll go ahead and just make the font size 28. And there's alpha, beta, gamma. That's final sigma, rho, basically pi, another version of pi, omega, chi, phi, another version of phi. So we have that. We can also have the uppercase ones. If you wanted kappa, basically a lambda. We have capital delta. So your Greek letters all have their own tab. Now this next group over here are your stenciled letters. These are usually used to denote sets, like N would be like the natural numbers, Z would be the integers, Q is for the field of quotients, the rational numbers, C is the complex numbers, R would be the real numbers, P could be prime numbers. Here we have another arrow. This gives you the entire alphabet. Notice that it's not done horizontal, it's done vertical, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, H. And you have the lowercase letters over here as well. So if you wanted some lowercase ones, you could have that. This next column here, these are your fractor fonts. So if you wanted, these values here, you can get all of your capital ones as well as your lowercase ones. If you go under this icon, you can get your fractor fonts. So, oops, that's a script. So you can get all of these lowercase if you want that font as well. The next column is the scripts. So you can get, the fancy letters A, B, C in your script. You can get lowercase as well as uppercase in case you want that font. This next column over here, these are your kind of more specific math things. Some people refer to this icon as the imaginary part. This one would be the real part. This is just sometimes some symbols that are used. This L can be used in mathematical typesetting as well. It has different meanings based on whoever's using it. And again, you can have the Aleph, which is used in set notations, generally implying that you have an uncountable set. You have a capital L, which is sometimes used for Laplace transforms. You have a Z that's usually used for Z transforms, which is kind of a discrete version of a Laplace transform. They share a lot of properties. You have a script capital F, which could be a generic field or some kind of filtration from stochastic analysis. And you could have a script capital P, which may, in some cases, could be the polynomials, the field of polynomial functions. So you have these symbols here as well. Then you can go on to the next column here where you have your indic numerals. If you select that and type in numbers, let me take this down. These are the Arabic numerals. So we have that selected. Notice it's highlighted here. These are your Arabic numerals. And if you type in, I'm just typing in 1 through 9 right here and then 0. Those are your Arabic version of your numerals. If we take the Eastern Arabic numerals and type in the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. They're very similar. There's a couple differences, though, between the Arabic and the Eastern Arabic. But if you need the Arabic numerals, they are located here. Here you have H for hydrogen, N for nitrogen, F for fluorine, C for carbon, O for oxygen, S for sulfur, and this little arrow here generates the entire periodic table of elements. So if you're doing some chemistry calculations or whatever, you can bring up these symbols from the periodic table. They are all located here, and you can go ahead and select them where they appear on the table itself. So this is all we have for this particular tab. I thank you for your time and attention.